Install the drop outlet at a predetermined downspout location. Then, using 2 screws, install a bracket at the highest point on the fascia board, farthest from the drop outlet. Mark a chalk line and position the brackets every 24 inches. Remember to always slope down to the downspout location. The slope should be 1/4 inch for every 10 feet. The end cap may be attached directly to the drop outlet if you're at the end of a gutter run. If the gutter continues around the corner, position brackets at the same height, no closer than 12 inches from the corner. Lightly sand the surfaces to receive cement with 100 grit paper. Apply the cement and install the end caps while you're still on the ground. Small guides will keep it in place while cement dries, approximately 30 seconds. For corners, apply cement in a zigzag pattern from front to back. Install the gutter section with the attached corner and/or end cap onto the brackets. Push the rear edge of the gutter up into the bracket. Then snap the front top of the gutter over the front tip. Insert the gutter 3.5 inches into the drop outlet for proper placement. Do not cement the gutter to the drop outlet. The second side of the corner can now be cemented to the clean surface of the gutter. Engage the gutter by pushing it up the back edge of the corner, then push in the front of the gutter so that lock rim snaps into place. Join the gutter sections at roof level. Apply cement on cleaned connectors from front to back. Hook the connector onto the rear edge of the gutter, and then press the connector onto the front of the gutter so that the lock rim snaps into place. Install the elbow onto the drop outlet. Measure the downspout and cut to size between the elbows. Install a third elbow at the bottom of the downspout using the downspout bracket. Also, install a downspout bracket at the top of the downspout and at the downspout connector if necessary. Do not cement elbows or the downspout. To finish, ensure all cemented fittings are at least 2 inches away from brackets.